So as you can watch this, guys, the rain has started up once again, and you can see that thing. It's raining too hard. Okay, once again. Oh, it becomes more harder. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, so the rain has started once again, and it's becoming destructive. And so these are the concepts, these are the things which is happening now, and oof, it's diminishing the sun to come up, and that's why it's really destructive. You can see this rain everywhere, and and the plants has been grown up a lot with this. Sun is not coming yet. There's no sign of it's it's like that sun is not existing anymore. Sun doesn't exist in the universe. And this is what the thing is. So okay, so this is the things. So anyways, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Have a great day, guys. Like this video.